Tencent Cloud is a global cloud hyperscaler. We originated from Tencent Holdings, which is a world-leading internet and technology company. We provide industry-leading cloud-native services to businesses, large and small, around the world. Starting from supporting Tencent's own businesses, like Weixin and social media, and a number of high-profile games, we now span to various other sectors, including financial services, smart retail, industrial manufacturing, healthcare, and so on. In this journey, we have developed innovative technologies and set a most sophisticated cloud-native practice, enabling your seamless entry into the local APAC market under a unified global architecture. Moreover, Tencent's exceptional business ecosystem, connecting billions of consumers and facilitating trillion-level commercial transactions, will be your ready gateway for business outreach in APAC. Tencent Cloud has data centers in 21 geographic regions on 5 continents, with 58 availability zones and a total of 3,200 acceleration nodes deployed. We offer network bandwidth up to 160 terabytes, and our storage capacity has passed 10 exabyte. Moreover, to empower your globally orchestrated, locally executed businesses, we've integrated a full cloud-native tech stack, including infrastructure, data and analytics, application, and end-to-end security. The solution is also designed to interoperate seamlessly with third-party clouds. First, let's look at our flexible and high-performance cloud infrastructure foundation. Tencent Cloud Distributed Cloud supports global computing coverage, cross-platform compute management, and dedicated network and security solutions for ensuring compliance. Second, our core set of engineering capabilities is also made agile with serverless and containers managed by Tencent Kubernetes Engine. It is integrated with data and analytics, application management, AI, and machine learning management. Our TD SQL database supports 7 of China's top banks in core banking systems and has ranked number 1 in TPCC with 814 million transactions per minute and a recovery time objective less than 18 seconds. Our low-code platform Weixin and serverless cloud functions are used by more than 6 million developers, readily developing applications of enterprise frontline workflows, public sector utilities, and lifestyle services in all aspects of people's daily life. Our Thai AOI platform runs far ahead as an AI-empowered zero-code development and delivery tool in various industrial visual quality inspection scenarios. As for cloud software services, we connect SaaS applications covering business collaboration and productivity. VooV meeting servicing anytime, anywhere virtual meetings greatly improves engagements and experience. And WeTest, as a leading quality assurance platform, supports hundreds of studios globally and empowers their games with excellent cross-platform testing services and performance monitoring tools. Last but not the least, we strive to meet the high standards of security and compliance, aligning with global requirements to ensure end-to-end protection across your business. To date, we have successfully executed a large number of multi-cloud endeavors for globally renowned multinational corporations in retail, consumer brands, manufacturing, automotive industry, and so on. A top retailer from North America utilized our cloud-native solution plus Weixin advertisement outreach to quickly launch its cross-border e-commerce business in APAC, achieving billions in e-commerce transaction volume and accumulating millions of local distributor assets. A global automotive components manufacturer deployed their local services using Tencent Cloud, achieving full compatibility with their existing system in APAC headquartered, successfully setting up their factory IT, infrastructure, and applications in China. A globally famous manufacturer of vehicles selected Tencent Cloud as a partner in APAC for autonomous driving development. With Tencent Cloud's physical hardware, operational support, and cloud services, they ensured compliance with local laws and synchronization with the deployment of headquartered in Europe. Choose Tencent Cloud with confidence when building your business for APAC.